Yeah. Came in 17. Damn.
Hello guys, in this video we'll be learning how to use the Kinemaster blending effect. So the first thing I'll be doing is going to my download to pick the video we'll be using. So this is the video right here. As you can see, the video is now up to the full size screen, so I'm going to be using my pan and zoom feature. So this pan and zoom, then I expand it to what I want. So that's it. Coming. Then I equalize it here. So I go back and I play it again. So as you can see, it's actually of the full screen now. So I'm going to be cutting left and cutting right here, because what I need is just about 9 seconds or so. So I'll be bringing in my text, come to format, NYC, okay, and I'm trying to get the middle, yeah. Then I change the font to Roboto bold, here and here, okay, down, Roboto bold here. As you can see, this is Roboto board here. Then I'll bring in my in animation as fade, yeah. Then I'll go to my blending down here, blending, and go for overlay. If I actually look for others, it won't be like this. As you can see, it won't be like this. If I go for normal, it's going to change. If I go for multiply, nothing is there. If I go for screen, as you can see, so I'm going for overlay. Overlay is what make it work, it's what makes it blend. And lowering the opacity, let's try it here. Let's try it here. The opacity, as you can see, it does not work as blending, only overlay does. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in the next video.